Megan, and I'm going to show you how you could go across, all the way across on this. So you have two hands like this, or you could do this if you're a little low. But I'm going to do it like this, and if your hands are kind of slippery, you should always do it on the big pool, and then do it. That is how you do the monkey bars, this way. And I'm going to show you how you go that way. It's the same one.
Okay.
But this time I'm going to do it with two.
Okay.
Whoops.
Keep going. Good job.
Ta-da! And now I'm gonna try to do the twirly one. Whoa. Mommy, can you give me some help?
Okay, you good, Meg?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.